Hey, welcome back, guys and girls. Welcome back to 1/64 scale racing. Today I'm showing you some of these newer 5-packs that come out. Having to shoot some videos out in the yard, as I told you. Hurricane Helene come up and kind of knocked the power and everything out. We've been out of power for 5 days now. So we have to make some videos out in the yard. But this is one of the newer 5-packs come out this year. It's called the Mopar 5-pack. It's pretty cool in my book because I'm a Mopar man. Let's get started. First up, we got the '69 Dodge Charger Daytona. It's a beautiful color once you get it out of the pack where you can really see it. It's real pretty. Real nice. It's a good collection. Anyway, that's the Dodge Daytona. Next we got a 08 Challenger. Got the Mopar on the side of it. That's the 08 Challenger. Next we got a '78 Little Red Express. Or should I say Little Yellow Express. Nice looking step-side truck. Anyway, that's a '78 Little Red Express. Next up, we got a '70 Dodge Hemi Challenger. And that is the '70 Dodge Hemi Challenger. And the last, we got the Dodge Viper GTS R. And that's the Viper. Anyway, that's the little Mopar newer 5-pack that's out. Hope you liked it. Check out my other videos on 1/64 scale racing. Please like and subscribe, please. We'll be back with some more videos. Thank you. See you.